All right, so that is one battery on the Ego chainsaw, not quite a face cord. We got to go up, I don't know, another foot or so, foot and a half. So 2/3 of the way there. Let's get that finished up and we'll be right back. So there you go. That is a full face cord of wood cut by the Ego. Hey there, thanks for stopping by. I'm Tony, this is TC's Outdoors. I appreciate you taking a minute to click on my video. And today we're going to split on the All Wood Birch vertical. We're going to split that face cord of wood. Me and my son measured off 8 feet in between these two T-posts. He helped me put them in the ground because I'm still one-handed. And we definitely are over 4 foot most places. So that's the lower end. And we're just shy of 4 foot there, but halfway over there. So I think it'll all shake out just a little bit over a face cord, something like that. But it's a bit more scientific than the last one. But we are going to breathe some life into an old challenge. This is going to go out to Heath and Rachel at Hardworking Man. No response needed, just I enjoy these challenges. So thank you for putting it out there the first time. And my son and I are going to do it again. This will be the 3rd time that Austin and I have done a face cord challenge on the old YouTube. And it's pretty awesome. 3 different machines. County line, 1222, and now we're going to do it on the Birch vertical. So all that wood was cut with the Ego 56 volt battery chainsaw. And I've got to be honest with you, the more I run it, the more I like using it. There's no ear protection required. There's no starting it every time I get on and off the tractor. So Coyote CK3510, you guys saw me in the beginning there. I was bringing the logs over, setting them one at a time in the sawbuck. To have to start a saw every single time, it would be fatiguing on me. So if you're new around here or this is your first time stopping by the channel, in July I ruptured my bicep, lower tendon, complete tear, had to have surgery, and I am just getting back in the swing of things. They did tell me I could start a saw, but I'm a little gun shy to do it just yet. So, and if I'm going to be on and off the tractor every 5 seconds, it's really, the battery saw just seems like be the way to go. It cuts really well. I did not, like you saw in my little goofy intro, did not get a full face cord cut, but 2/3 I bet. If you had to run a full battery and just split some wood, I mean, it would keep you busy for a while. So all in all, pretty impressive little guy. I'm going to get the camera set up. Austin's in the house getting ready, and we're going to get out here and we're going to get this stuff split. And I think, this is my prediction, and I've been wrong before, but I think right around the 20-minute mark, somewhere in that neighborhood, we should be able to produce a face cord of wood. So he's going to feed me the rounds and stack off in the totes. So it's kind of a 2-for-1 because when we're done, we're done. Everything just goes and gets put away. There's no throwing it in a trailer or in a heaping pile and having to relive the second half of it, which is the stacking portion. So even if it takes us 25 minutes or a half an hour, it's still ultimately faster than splitting into a bin, taking it someplace, restacking it. Either way, let's go. If you're enjoying the video right now, please hit that like button for me, would you? Here we go. So there you have it, 33:47. I was off by a bit. Like I said, if it took a half an hour, then not the end of the world, because it's not just split, it's stacked. And I was out here with this dude. Say hi.
What's up?
I don't know if you guys remember Austin, see how much taller than me he is.
Yeah.
Isn't that fantastic? That's what every dad loves that. But either way, Austin's on to bigger and better things. This is going to be our last face cord challenge for a while.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Austin?
I'm going in the Navy.
Enlisting in the Navy. Ship out date is in January. He's off to do awesome things, and I couldn't be prouder of him. So, what do you say?
I don't know.
He doesn't know. I put him on the spot. This wasn't rehearsed,
No.
but in all honesty, it's the coolest thing a dad could ask for. He's chasing his dreams, and I'm proud of him, and it's awesome, and I'll keep you guys updated. But enlisting in the Navy, aviation electronics is his secondary goal, but we'll talk more about the primary some other time maybe. But either way, 33 minutes to split a face cord. I'm sweating. I was definitely working harder than I thought I would. Pretty good results, and I'd say it's definitely a face cord. There's the first tote heaping, and then there's a good row there. I guess maybe you always end up with more wood than you with the rounds, or firewood out of the rounds than you did with the rounds. But either way, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I had fun making it, and until we see each other again, take care. We'll see you.
See ya.